All right. It's Brian Frell, and I'm back. So, I am back once again with another update on the very easy, very simple to use program that you and I know as Clickly. Now, I've been showing you this for a few days now, about what, 2 weeks now, and I'm loving this program. It takes about 15 minutes a day, no money to get started, and you're simply just making money every single day from just 15 minutes of work, just making a few clicks, sending out emails, because email marketing is the #1 way to make money online, because everybody uses email. Whenever you sign up for a program, whenever you actually want to communicate with anything, what they always want to do, they want to get your email address so it can keep in contact with you, and you're always going to be in the loop. So I'm going to show you really quick what I've been doing, and that's just making money every single day by sending some simple emails through this very easy to use system. And let's just jump right into it. So first, we're going to jump over here, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to help build my list right from the system right here by sending out some very simple emails in just a few seconds each day. You can see I've been sending out emails over the last few days here, and each time someone opens one of my emails that I'm sending through this system to this list that's already been established with the program, if someone opens one of those emails, they get added to my own individual email list. So they become my own subscribers on my own list. So I'm building my list every single day. And let me show you how easy this is. You just simply jump down here. You click on the button here to send mail. You're going to be sending these business opportunity emails to people who already are interested in making money online. So these are people who've already shown interest in same thing that you're watching this video for, how to make money online. I'm going to send 20,000 emails to this list of people all around the world who are interested in making money online. We have proven emails that have been known to get people to, pay attention to these opportunities that we have of making money online. And it's just a few simple clicks, click, click, click. All right, just like that, I've gone ahead and queued up 20,000 emails to be sent out to this massive list that's provided for you through this system. And it's going to help build my own email list here very quickly, very easily, with just a few clicks. Nothing to buy, no one to talk to. I don't have to have a product. I don't have to have a service. I don't have to use my own email account, because they are using the system will use its own email server. None of your private information is ever needed. It never goes out. It's very convenient. It's very private, and you get paid just from building your list and people actually opening up your emails. And if someone actually clicks a link in that email, then you get paid every time someone clicks a link in your email. They do not have to buy anything, and yet you still get paid. I'm getting paid from people just opening up emails and clicking about the content of that email, and it gets me money. I mean, what other way can you make money online for about 15 minutes a day, just sending out pre-written emails to a list of people all across the world who actually want this information? And when you share information with them, you get paid. Even if they don't buy a single thing, you don't have to know them. You don't have to convince them to do anything. You don't need their email address. You don't, nothing. This system is pretty much almost done for you. I mean, you can't go wrong with this system. I'm loving it. So this is right now I'm just in the list building phase right here. I'm building my list, and as I've built my list, you can see here that since I've been in the program, I have now 20,000 people on my own email list, whereas I started the program on day one. When you start and you come in for free, when you join this program, they give you 5,000 subscribers on your own email list. Where else can you be given 5,000 subscribers on day one and you didn't pay a single dime for them. And you can start making money on day one. Yo, this is so impressive. So impressive. Let me show you how we get paid. Watch this. You're sending out these emails to your people who are interested in making money online, other business opportunities, and watch this. All you gotta do is jump over here. I'm gonna send 20,000 emails, and inside these emails are these links to get more information about the different services that we're providing. Now you can promote this own platform. You can promote your own product or service if you have one. If you choose to, that's it's totally up to you. And this is just a very, very easy way to make money online, because if someone clicks one of these links right here in this email, you get paid 10 cents every time someone clicks one of those links in the email. Now you might be saying 10 cents, pff, that's nothing, okay? But 10 cents, think about it. If you're sending emails out to 20,000 people, at a time, the more emails you send, the more chance you have for someone to open the email. The more people who open the email, the more chance you have for someone to actually click the link in that email. And every time that someone clicks a link in that email, you get paid. It is so freaking easy to do. You got to get started right away, because you're going to get left behind making money every single day for doing 15 minutes of work, and you didn't have to talk to anybody. You didn't have to do any kind of hard work at all whatsoever. It's just, man, it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm going to go ahead and send one more batch of emails real quick. This comes with full training. You can get signed up for this with no personal information required. Put away your credit card. It's not needed. And you can send out emails today, and you'll have the earnings tomorrow. Let me go ahead and show you what I've earned here in my time in the program. You might say 10 cents per click might not be nothing, but 10 cents adds up when you're sending to people who actually want the details of this program, or any other program for that matter. And when they click the links, you get paid 10 cents. And as you see, I've already made just under $200 just from sending these emails through this system that's built for you. Plus, it's building your list. The money's in the list. That's your list. It becomes your asset. You can email them about whatever opportunity you want to present in front of them, whether it be this program itself, or if it were to be your own program, your own product that you got. It's yours. You can do that. This is an email marketing business. It's pretty much done for you. It's been running smoothly for the last, I think it's been up for 3 years now, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. We have weekly promotions to get you paid cash. We have daily promotions to get you paid cash, just by doing what I just showed you. That's it. You don't have to do anything extra. You don't have to refer a single person. No referrals required, and it's no sales required. It's extremely simple. So below this video is going to be the link to get started. I want you to go ahead and check out that link. It's going to be getpaidwithbrian.com. Go ahead, click the link, watch a quick little tutorial, probably about 5 minutes long, to tell you more information. You can get started today, and you can be on your way to making $200 in 2 weeks' time from sending emails and people just clicking on the emails. No referrals required, and it's just super, super simple. All right, so you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, click the link below this video, get started. Visit my website, getpaidwithbrian.com. Join me on this journey. Let's get paid together. All right, this is Brian Farrell, and I'm out. Peace.